And then we have gold. Perfect. Gold, I don't know if you remember, but yesterday I sent a message on the student channel and I was looking for buys. Well, I already showed you the explanation, but just to do it again, we had New York session right here, so it was perfect, aligning with our main session that we wanted to trade yesterday. We had the previous low right here, which was mitigating the demand, but was only mitigating the top of the demand, and we could still mitigate the 50% of the demand. Now, this is actually what happened. Came back to the downside after creating a breakout structure, so breakout structure to the upside, retracing. The retracement is grabbing the liquidity below this low, and also tapping into the 50% of the demand perfectly. Went on lower time frames. And we clearly had our consolidation, liquidity grab. You know, even in a 1 minute strategy, even if you don't put all the names, of course, if you want to, if you feel more comfortable doing that, you can put all the names of, you know, every move. But even if you don't do that, what you're basically looking for, just to put it in an easier way, you're just looking for a consolidation before your area of interest or at your area of interest. And then after that consolidation, a big liquidity move. So basically a big grab of liquidity in one direction, which has to be aligned with, you know, your overall bias. So in this case, we are looking for buys, big liquidity grab to the downside. And then I was looking for buys right here, went on a 1 minute, sent the message to the group. And let's go. Okay, perfect. So again, consolidation right here. If we want, as you know, the market is fractal, therefore you can see the same things happening, you know, on the 15 minutes or on the 1 minute consolidation, another grab of liquidity below the consolidation, push to the upside. And now I was looking for buys after this liquidity grab. I didn't enter right away right here because of course I was not expecting to just go straight up, and saw this move. And after seeing this move, which is of course breaking the structure, I was waiting for even a little retracement, just, you know, something like just a retracement to this demand or anything, just to continue to the upside, and then we would have entered the trade. This wasn't the case. As you can see, we just create a bearish candle and then continue, bearish candle and then continue, bearish candle and continue, and so on without any retracement. The only retracement that we had, which was of course could have been a possible entry, as we have, you know, the breakout structure right here to the upside, demand area and whatever, possible entry to continue to the upside. Yes, but at the same time, this was too late. Like from the bottom right here where I was thinking about buys to here, look, it's 200 pips, basically, like perfectly 200 pips. So yeah, so it was too late. And of course I was not looking to enter anymore. Now, this is the explanation for yesterday. Let's actually look at what's going on right now. Sorry, I'm still accepting people that are connecting. So right now, and also it's pretty similar to Euro USD, which is a possible buy for today because we had equal highs right here. We had the trend line with a lot of liquidity, and therefore we had a reason to actually go long on gold because we knew that to the upside we had liquidity and possibly the price goes and targets this liquidity, therefore an extra confirmation. Now, what we are looking for right now is, let me delete this trend line, let me delete the equal highs since we already grabbed liquidity above the equal highs, and also this, we don't really need it. So right now, what I'm waiting for is for this imbalance to be filled. And above the imbalance, we just have the higher time frame order block. Let me show you on the 15 minutes. I refine the imbalance. Since in the 1 hour, this is all imbalance, I refine it on the 15 minutes right here. This is imbalance, as you can see, from this week to this week right here, still imbalanced. And then we have the order block right here, just above the imbalance, perfectly. All right, and basically what I'm waiting for is for this price to be touched. I have 2 alerts and I'm not entering yet. As you can see, a lot of people could FOMO into the market, seeing, you know, this push to the upside, this rejection, continuation to the downside, and then this move, they could easily enter and just, you know, enter too early. Sometimes you might actually be right, but this is not my plan. I believe this is not the plan that many people here on the live have. Let me accept some more people. So I'm waiting for the imbalance to be filled, order block to be touched, and then I'm looking for entries to go short on gold, basically. Because as confirmation, we might need some more confluence. So let's move the New York session to today's New York session. So from now, I would say until 4. I mean, it's just my time. It's not really New York. It's just something that I used to understand. Anyway, let's go on the 1 hour just to check for